this story writing. So regarding story writing, children, two options are there. One, it is regarding a house full of rats. Happy, a cat is brought by the owner. Rats in danger. How to warn a small rat suggested. Okay. So on the basis of the given outline, a story was to be written appropriately. Okay. Some of you, what you have done, you have written only whatever that is given here. Okay, and added only one or two more lines. It should not be like this. You have to elaborate it. Okay, many other things were to be written. Okay, for example, the dog was what, taking something. Okay, there you some gold jewelry was found. Okay, or the owner screamed. Okay, the owner screamed. So when a person will scream, when something unusual will be there. Okay, something frightening will be there. Okay, so when it screamed, okay, then one hand appeared. The owner screamed. She made a phone call to the police. Police came, investigation was made. Such a kind of theory, okay, such a kind of this plot you would have written like this. Okay, but you stopped after adding 2 or 3 lines. You stopped there. It should not be. Okay, once line of action is provided to you, starting lines that your story is like this, that is to be developed by you. Okay, so you understand that is to be done by you. Then children, the most important, where most of you people have done mistake, that before word, missing word, after word. Okay, so here this passage has not been edited. There is one word missing from each line. Write the word before. Most sharks efficient hunter, but so most sharks are efficient hunter. The first one is given. What is the missing word? Are efficient hunters. Then great white is in a class its own. Great white is in a class of its own. Class. Okay, this we will take A. Class of its own. So in first, class of its own. That is the missing word. So many of you have written shark. And you have written great white. So you thought that great white shark is not added. So you have written great white shark. Okay. It is much bigger any other killer shark. It is much bigger any other. So bigger comparison is there. The comparative degree is there. So bigger than. Bigger than any. So this you have understood or not? Bigger than, a comparison is there. Right? When we will make comparison, then bigger than, after bigger than will be used. Far more powerful. Great whites super efficient. Far more powerful. Great whites super efficient. Great is the superlative degree. Great. It is regarding and a far more powerful. No, it's a great whites. Particular reference great white is coming again. So here what is, they will come, because its reference is coming again. The same reference is coming again. Okay. So what it will become? Powerful than great whites. Okay, children. So pay attention, Palmer. So there will come. Why there? Because the great white is coming again. So something is repeated again. Then second time when it is repeated, then what will come? There. Then children, the next is it is propulsion system drives through the water. So propulsion system drives it through the water. Drives it. Drives it through the water. Drives it through the water. Most of you have done mistake. And that's why you understand it well. Then at certain speed, as it charges in the attack. Okay, so at certain speed, as it charges in for the attack. Okay, in for that. Then the next children, next it is, and its array senses enable the shark too, and its array senses enable the shark too, and its array of senses, Okay, pay attention, all of you. Then it's a prey in complete darkness, deadly accuracy. Okay, it's a prey in complete darkness, deadly accuracy. Darkness with deadly accuracy. Darkness with deadly accuracy. Okay. Then next, the shark's broad razor-edged teeth specially adapted. Teeth are specially adapted. Teeth are specially. Okay. So likewise, it is to be done. Okay, children. Most of you people have made mistake, so you can understand. Then replace the word in italics with correct synonyms. Correct synonyms, I told you that synonyms, antonyms, prefix, suffix, all this will be asked. So Gandhiji lived a very modest and simple life. So modest, okay, you have to find a synonym. So what is the synonym for modest? Humble. Humble is the synonym for modest. Okay, some of you have written submissive. Then the whole fable is a moral story related to animals, and ant and cricket, that is a what? A fable. Okay, but so the correct synonym is what? Story. Many of you have done it correctly. Those who have not done, they should understand. Then choose the correct verb form. Correct verb form. I was very grateful that my computer so promptly. I was very grateful. So was is coming. What is coming? Was. So was is coming. It means it is that of past. And in past tense, what comes? Second form of the verb. So I was very grateful that he. Options are repairs. So repairs, that is simple present. Then will be repairing, that is about the future. And will repair, that is also about future. And repaired, that is past. So the correct answer is repair. That no one should have any mistake in that. Was is given, that is for past. So the next verb form will be from past only. What you scored? Yes. What marks you got? You stand up. Hello. Yeah, tell me. Fast. 28. So 28, that's almost equivalent to fail only. You remain stand and pay attention. If your path is blocked, I blank move my vehicle out of your way. So have moved, moving, will move, move. Very simple, will move. अगर आपका रास्ता ब्लॉक हो गया है तो मैं क्या करूंगा, अपना व्हीकल वहां से हटा लूंगा. ओके, सो आई विल, मोस्ट ऑब्वियस, इट्स no error, but then also some of you have done mistake. If your path is blocked, if you are not able to see, I will come this side or either will go that side. My father, blank, a source of inspiration for me since I was a young girl. Since is coming. Since. Okay, so since is coming, it means where since comes, since or for, since or for, either present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. Okay, so either with a has been, had been. Okay, so here it is given, what is given, has been, so with that only it will come. So direct indication is there. If you would have gone through very easily, you would have done since or for, where it comes with this present perfect continuous, okay, or past perfect continuous, or future perfect continuous. Here only one example, one option is given related to that. So that is only correct. Right or wrong? We have discussed since is used for point of time and for is used for period of time. That we have discussed or not? Then children use appropriate prefix with words given in the brackets. On the east coast, there are a few small and islands. Okay, so it is given important. So it will become unimportant. Unimportant. Okay, important is there. It is what? Okay, prefix to is to be added. So it is added at the beginning. So it becomes unimportant, right? The laser can blink most kinds of rocks. So it will become second disintegrate. Disintegrate. How many of you have done it correctly? Raise your hands. How many of you have done? That you can understand. Then could you try and make yourself a little more presentable? Presentable. This is a suffix. Okay. So likewise, it was to be done. Then regarding rearrange the jumbled words and sentences. Rearrange the jumbled words and sentences. So first rearrange the jumbled words and sentence is our teacher Mr. Shyam has a cat named. Okay, this is the first one. Second, it is Ram and Rahim like to play cricket. Ram and Rahim like play cricket on holidays. Okay. So first two, most of you have done correctly. Then the third one is this. Many of you had a problem. Third one is laughter. Laughter makes one feel good and helps in making a lot of friends. Okay, so this is the next one and the last most of you have done correctly. body functions are and blood circulation is improved. So wherever
सर
you
टी
make a
कौन सा
mistake,
बात
you
है?
should know what is the correct answer. Okay, where you have done a mistake, you should know. Then children, it is regarding the direct and indirect. The dialogue is given, it is to be changed. So first it is given, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? So what he was going, are you going to do? That of the present continuous, it will change into past continuous. So what are you going to do? What he was going to do. It has changed like this. Okay. Then next it is I will phone the warden. I will phone the warden. Okay, I will phone the warden. So here it will be, the correct answer is replied that he would. Replied that he would. Okay. And the next one, what her name was. It is given what is her name. What is her name? Simple present. So it will change into simple past. What her name was. Is change into was. And then next, children, she is a very helpful person. Stand up. She is a very helpful person. So it changed into she was a very helpful person. She was a very, it's changed into was, this much. She is a very helpful person. She was a very helpful person. Okay, children. Then this abstract is given from poetry. So who was trying to find crumbs? The cricket. Okay. Then it is given the poem from which, yeah, the ant and cricket. Then a word from the stanza which means a piece, that is crumb. Okay. Then the next abstract it is, but to go to school in a summer morn, oh, it drives all joy away. Under a cruel eye outworn, the little ones spend the entire day. The name of the poem is School Board. The poet is William Blake. And the questions given here are, what is the stanza written about? The correct answer is children who are in school. It is about children who are in school. What kills the joy? Going to school. They love to get up early in the summer morning. But what kills their joy? Going to school kills their joy. A word which means morning, that is sighing. S-I-G-H-I-N-G. Now the questions, children. What did the author find in the junks of a roll top? This much. A roll top desk. Then who was Mangal Pandey? Mangal Pandey was a soldier in British India Army, British Indian Army, and he was the person who raised his voice first of all against the greased cadres, and he was hanged down by the Britishers. Had Bipin Babu really lost his memory and forgotten all about a trip to Ranchi? No, he had not lost his memory. What actually happened? A trick was played by. What are the two things unclear to the poet from the sky? Why his city was built in an no. What are the two things unclear from the sky? That why men used to hate each other and why walls are built across houses. Then who was Meghna? Meghna was a survivor, that of tsunami. Then what made the dog, the horse and the ox very angry? Because the camel was not doing any work and they have to do the work that was not done by. Why did Velu decide to follow the strange girl? Because he was unknown there in the city. He was not knowing anyone, and he thought that if I will not follow the girl Jaya, then where I will go. Then why students used to book Hafiz contractors books? Hafiz contractors book तुमने सही किया है. Because Hafiz contractors books were brand new. Why? Because he has not used his books. Then why did the bird refuse to be taken out in the cage? Because he was not having its freedom. Then why did the giant say what did the giant say when he returned to his castle? That my garden is my own. My garden is my own, and no one can play here without my permission. And that's why he put the board, trespassers are not permitted. And then it is, imagine you are the little boy in the lesson. The self is giant. An angel asks you how you change the heart. The question was how you change the heart. That the angel wanted to know. आपको ये बताना था कि आपने giant की heart कैसे change की. Okay, and some of you have written the story. So if you write the story, definitely you will not get the marks. If you will tell how you change this, the heart of the giant, you will get marks. Okay, and children, next it is, apart from the war and bloodshed, can there be any other way to resolve conflicts? Yes, of course, there is other way to resolve conflict, and that is with the help of sports and games. So children, this is how the question paper was designed. This is the question paper. If you have had any problem, I hope you have understood. Okay. So next time, for next exams, prepare well. And the next lesson we will start, children, is Jody's form. Okay. So